So basically, Eton College, now the unique features about the college is, of course, the location and its benefits. So basically, Eton College is located in very central proximity of British Columbia, Vancouver, British Columbia's major city, which is Vancouver. Uh, like this location is very strategically located, which means like every location from around the institution is around the same. So we are in the center proximity of Vancouver region itself, which means that Vancouver International Airport is only 25 minutes away from us. Burnaby is at a distance of 15 minutes. Surrey is at a distance, like Surrey is again a well-sought destination for the students who are willing to study in this particular region. So Burnaby is 15 minutes, Surrey is 25 minutes. And as you can see down here, the metro rail station and the bus stations are at only a distance of around 5 to 10 minutes in maximum. And also the institution is accessible to public transportation like sky trains, buses, and like 1 minute. Our Vancouver City Metro Station is 1 minute away from Vancouver International Airport. And also there are around 100 plus hotels, motels, and resorts in around the campus, which means that there will be n number of opportunities for the students willing for what you can say part-time job, because Vancouver is one of the most sought after tourist destination in Canada region also. As like as you people might be aware, British this Canada is completely uh, covered by the snow most of the seasons. But with British Columbia, the case is different because the Tropic of Capricorn, like when we are child, we would have studied about equator, Tropic of Capricorn, and Tropic of Cancer. So this region, in particular, the British Columbia's Vancouver passes like the Tropic of Capricorn passes through the Vancouver city, which means that the sun is very nearer to us, and due to that, over the year there is no snow, and during the Christmas periods the people from surrounding states of the Canada and also from the surrounding states of the United States visit this region during their Christmas vacations, as it is comparatively warmer here. And due to this, that it gives an like this place is very much populated by the local tourist and the tourist like local tourist of Canada, and also the tourists coming from different countries. So before pandemic in 2018, Vancouver saw anywhere around 3 crore plus people uh, visiting and traveling this country, and this in city in particular, which gave many opportunities to the students looking for part-time jobs. So if like whenever you are selecting an institution, we should be very much uh, sure about it, like what all job opportunities are there in that particular city, and what are the chances, like what are the chances of getting a new job. So is the job really available, and what are the pay wages, so that we can like study our we can take our expenses of the study, and we can do a self-sustainable mode of study. The other point to note here is in all of the Canada subcontinent, this is a particular city where the climate is very much mild. So for the Indian people, like the mild climate is something that we are already always looking for. So if we settle in some country where the climate is not like us, it takes around 6 to 7 months just to adjust with the temperature and also the. So it is a tough job for people, like people willing to go to some country where it's too much cold. Like we have to completely adapt to uh, like we are as a student, we are already adapting to the new house, new people around us, new locations around us, new transportation medium, new school, new people, and uh, to a new temperature in itself can be a new bigger task. But when you are studying in this particular region, then that won't be a problem. Now, the programs that we offer are completely career focused programs that are taught by the industry professionals. And the class size is also like very much small. So it enables one-to-one with the instructors, and also an individualized hands-on learning approach in the teaching, which means like there will be a one-to-one approach with the teachers, which can really benefit you as a student, so that your doubts, every doubt gets cleared, and also you will have a personal attention from the teachers, which can really help you when in passing the examinations and uh, furthering your studies. Now, talking about the environment, environment is completely inclusive, which means like people from all over the globe come and study at our institutions, and also like we see a lot number of domestic students also studying in our campus, which means like there will be a good number of opportunities for the people from our country or the from other country, because you get a chance to develop relation with the local peoples, which can really help you in getting job sponsorship and also finding new jobs. The other program to note here is we all the programs that we have are practicum based program, which means like the programs, every program that we offer has an unpaid internship attached with it. So the students will be not paid for the internship, but they will be offered an compulsory internship with all leading players in their particular field. So we have a number of companies which are MNCs tied with us. So we have an affiliation with this all big companies, where the students will get an opportunity to work as an intern, which can help them in knowing the job scenario in Canada region in particular, and also how like they can, it can also help them in getting a permanent job opportunity as well. The other point to note here is we have an unique pathway options to major public universities. So as a student, everyone wants to go and study to an well-renowned university. So as a student, it would be a dream of everyone that you want to go to a picturesque university, which is very big, which has good sprawling campus, and there are good number of people. But get into that universities is really very tough. Like you require high IELTS score, you require high academic program scores, and the number of seats also are very much limited in this type of institutions. But when you are applying through us, like when you are opting through us to study with that universities, like can initially complete their initial years of study with Eton College, and we have a set of our accreditation with this best public universities of British Columbia region. So after completing a certain period with Eton College, and with only one criteria, which is to attain 50% marks at Eton, the student will get an advantage of excellent transfer of all the credits and direct transfer into the third year at very well renowned public university, which is like really very tough to crack. As I already told you about the admission, our admission requirements are quite competitive. So we take students with low IELTS score, which is anywhere around overall 6 bands, with one module 5.5, and the academics also we can take around 53 to 55%. We also take students from diploma background with 5 to 10 80 KTs or blocks in their diploma results, and we can also accept the students with a 4 year gap into in the 12th standard studies. And the major point to note here is the maths is not compulsory to take admission at Eton College or Q College or Taylor Pro College. So this is an presentation about all the institutions. The details I am of giving now are about all the institutions that we are talking, which is about Eton, Q, and Taylor Pro Institute. So there is no maths required to get admission into any institution, which is again a very beneficial point for the students. As in with most of the institutions world in Canada, the 11th and 12th standard maths of commerce and arts background is not considered, and in that case, the student has to take an extra program for maths, where he has to pay extra, or he has to complete an extra certification program from India, which is again a very time and money consuming program. So with Econ College, it won't be a problem. So the student are not, it's not compulsory for the students to take up for maths examinations. So as we already saw in this video, these are some campus pictures. Like this is the campus building, and these are some classroom and other computer lab, reception, and other areas. Now, the major question for the consultants and students over here is like the accreditations that the institution has. So uh, as we are accredited by major all the institutions of British Columbia and the Canadian government. So we are in DLI approved institution. Our DLI number is already mentioned on the screen. And to check other licensing and certifications, you can also visit the website of official Canadian government website, which is cic.gc.ca, on which you can get all the other information. And as I already told you, we help the students in getting the unpaid internship, like which is compulsory for the students. And we also prepare the students, like we completely prepare them for the job, which means like we help the students in building their resumes, we help them in getting the jobs. And due to the service that we provide to the students, we fall under category 1 by British Columbia Ministry in terms of the quality of education and also the supports that we provide to the students. Now, as I told you, we give you major pathways to all major public universities, which are very tough to crack into, like IITs and IIMs of particular British Columbia County. So we give you a direct pathway or a progression into that institutions. And so this are the programs, the quality programs that we offer at our institution. At Eton and at Q, there are programs into business administration, web and digital marketing specialty, business administration, and also into full stack developers. So a range of the programs that we offer at all our three institutions are majorly for all the students coming from commerce and arts background, which means like students can opt their careers into business administration, they can opt their careers into BCA, they can opt their careers into BBA, which is business, uh, again, like bachelors of business administration. They can also take their careers into bachelor of travel and tourism management, also take their careers into hospitality management, or start with uh, start with digital marketing and web tech specialty as well. Now, these are the major institutions that are our partner. Like these are our partner institutions where we give you a direct progression. And this about this progression, everything is mentioned on our website, which is eton.ca and qcollege.com. And also, while giving the offer letter, this progression, like the details about the progression, will be further mentioned on your offer letter and letter of acceptance as well, which helps you us in like which really supports in getting the visas as well. Now, as I already told you about Vancouver, so Vancouver, the employment opportunities in Vancouver is as below. So Vancouver is the third largest tourism destination in Canada. More than around 3 crore people have visited, like tourists have visited in British Columbia in 2018 before pre-COVID. 97 billion dollars tourism industry in Canada, which is a really big number. 97 billion dollar tourism means anywhere around 10 to 15,000 crores. So it is a very big number in consideration, like looking at Vancouver, which is the third largest tourism destination. So you can see like what number of money flows in into tourism in this particular city, which means like there are good opportunities for the student to really earn well and also support their studies very good. The other key point to note here is, which I forgot to mention earlier, is like the minimum wage rates. So Vancouver region or the British Columbia province offers the second highest minimum wage rate of all of the Canada, which is $15.20, which is after the Nunavut province. So there are good opportunities of working, and also the second highest pay in the Canada, all of the Canada, which means that as a student you will be able to save a good lot number of money. More than 3 lakh plus employment opportunities in the tourism and hospitality industry in British Columbia, as per the recent news taglines. And as air transportation is the largest service industry in Canada. So people who are from this travel, tourism, and airlines business can have also a very good prospect in this particular institution and in this particular Vancouver city. So these are the companies which are our practicum placement partners. The list goes like Vancouver International Expo, which is an MNC. Holiday Inn Express, many of you might be already aware of this, which is again an MNC. Philippine Airlines is also MNC. So we offer you the internship at very well-renowned company where you will get an exposure of working with world-class people, world-class corporates, and also like get an initial chance, get an work experience, get an initial chance to develop a good relation with the peers, can really help you in getting permanent jobs and uh, other sponsorships as well. These are the enrollment and admission requirements for our institution. So high school with completion grade C, which is anywhere around 53 to 55 percentage, and English language proficiency is uh, like IELTS 6, no module less than 5.5. For TOEFL, it's 61. PT, it's 54 with no module less than 48. We accept Duolingo for admission purposes, but for the visa purposes in Canada, as Duolingo is not accepted by the embassy, you will have to give TOEFL, IELTS, or PT. And the major part students to consider here is the tuition fees. So for this particular intake, this particular January intake, and due to COVID, we are offering good discounts on our tuition fees, which makes our tuition fees from anywhere around 7,500 to 9,500, which means like your all tuition fees inclusive of your books and other charges uh, will be anywhere around maximum from 4 lakh to 5.5 lakh rupees, Indian rupees, which means like it is very much affordable as compared to other institutions. So when as a student, we always are looking for an opportunity where we can go learn new things, and also we can earn more, because like to improve the quality of life, to improve the standard of life. So in this institution, you will not be wasting your money, more money on the education. You will be saving a lot of money when it comes to paying the tuition fees, because most of the students are more emphasized in like earning. So either they miss out their studies or they miss out their learning. Whereas with our institution, they will be like most of the programs are fast tech programs, and also the cost of the tuition fees is very much less. So a student will get an opportunity to save money from both ends. So the duration of the programs is also mentioned on the screen. So where the program is less than 52 weeks means it is a 1 year program. And where the program is more than 52 weeks means that it's a 2 year program. And from after the 2 year or 1 year completion of the 1 year or 2 year in the particular program, you will get an assured transfer or progression into the renowned public universities that we already discussed in the earlier slide, which is again, I am putting it up to you. So Capilano, Royal Roads, Vancouver Community College, University Canada West, these are all very well renowned and very big universities of British Columbia, where you will get your direct transfers after completion of 1 year or 2 years with us. So Q College, which is very much near to our earlier presented Eton College. So Q College is a 25-year-old institution in British Columbia with two campuses, one in Victoria and other in Vancouver. To give you a brief idea about Victoria, Victoria is the capital city of British Columbia with a perfect growing climate. Like Victoria is internationally known as the city of gardens due to the number of good number of gardens that the city has. Now the population is only around 9 to 10 lakh people, which is quite less populated, which means a good number of opportunities, as these regions are particularly more concentrated with tourists all over the year. So only 9 to 10 lakh people live in this particular region, and good number of tourists are completely visiting this region again and again. So which means there are good opportunities for the student who are willing to work as a part-time employee. Victoria is the mildest climate in Canada, as we already discussed that Tropic of Capricorn part. So the average temperature in winters is around 3.6 to 8.2 degrees, and the average temperature in summers is around 11 to 19 degrees. So as you can see here, temperatures does not go in minus. So in all of the Canada, you might be aware, like most of the regions are like with minus temperatures in during most of the time in the year. But with Victoria, even in winters, the temperature does not go in minus, which means that is a good point for the Indians, because we Indians are normally have a tendency in living in moderate climate. Now, discussing about the industries, like primary industries that Victoria city has are into information technology, tourism and government. And also there are more than 900 plus startups or tech companies in the city itself. So this is not that updated PPT, but there are more than 900 plus tech companies in the city, which means that there are good number of opportunities for the young professionals looking for an opportunity to grow themselves into the startups. And due to all this criteria, the city has also been voted as the best city for the young professionals, because there are good number of opportunities to earn. There are good number of startups where the student can easily get a place, and the minimum wage rate, which we already discussed, is $15.20 per hour, and the low cost of living makes this a perfect city for young professionals who are willing to make their lives beautiful and splendid. Now, the other campus that we have in is in Vancouver, which is the heart of British Columbia, and also has been voted as the world's third livable city in the recent year, which was in 2018. The population here is anywhere around 26 to 27 lakh people, and unemployment rate is also 7.4, which is quite less. So there is, as you can see, there are only 7.4% people who are unemployed. In where like most of the people are retired and elders, so there is like no unemployment in this region, which is a good point for the students to be considered. The city has a temperature of minus 9.7 degree, which is the lowest, and minus 2.9 degrees, which is the highest in the winters, and the average temperature of the city is around minus 6.3, which is like very mild as compared to the other regions of Canada. There are a good number of opportunities in management, tourism, and construction and IT industries. And Vancouver is the most accessible cities in Canada. So there are few tourist attractions like sky trains and sea bus, which are uh, like only found in this particular region. And due to this, like people from all around the globe, like from Europe, nearby European countries, and also from the states of United States, nearby states of United States, people come here because there are few tourist attractions that are very pretty, like SkyTrain and Seabus. Also, Vancouver is one of the most livable cultural cities around the world in terms of activities, food, and attractions. Like when you are in Vancouver, you get to feel the real vibe of Canada, because like in Toronto, which is like in Ontario, Toronto is a big chunk, major, like a good populated city, but there are people from all nationalities in there, so you do not see a hint of particular Canada region in that city. Um, in Quebec, which is again a good province, which is sought by the Indians, it is French dominated. So there are chances that you will not get to see local Canadian culture over there, because it is French dominated. And when now you want to explore the culture of Canada, Vancouver is the best city, as it has good number of domestic people who are from particularly who are like their nationality and ethnicity is completely Canadian. So you get to see this local activities and local food, and also attractions which are very much near and close to local hearts. About Q College, why Q College? So Q College was founded in 1997, which makes it a 25-year-old institution. Uh, we were founded as Victoria School of Business Technology, but in 2008 we rebranded ourselves as Q College. So like till 2017, we just like we only used to cater domestic students, but from 2017 onwards we have started catering international students, and that's why we have less number of programs in this particular institution. But all the programs are completely job ready, applied learning, and also this programs in this Q College are also practicum based, which means that it gives you an opportunity to work with top leading institutions and companies in this particular region, which can help you in getting your permanent job sponsorships and permanent jobs as well. Q College is an EQA certified institution, which is Education Quality Assurance, which is a designation given to public and private institutions in British Columbia that meet or exceeds the quality standards set by the province. Q College is also a DLI approved institution, and you can check the DLI number on cic.gc.ca. And again, the Q College falls under category 1 by British Columbia Ministry in terms of the quality of education and the support that we provide to the students. The programs that we offer for this particular intake to international students are Business Administration 1 year certificate with a pathway into Vancouver Community College and University Canada West. Business Administration Web and Digital Marketing Specialty, which is again a specialty program giving you progression into good universities, and Full Stack Web Developer Program, which is a 1 year diploma. So in Business Administration Program, which is a 1 year certificate, the students will learn all the skills needed in business, like learning about the computers, numbers, cross-cultural communications, and also develop a basic knowledge into accounting, management, economics, marketing, and other organizational structures. The job opportunities after completion of this program ranges from like getting a job into business, tourism, industry, government organizations, and can work at an entry or supervisory level. And as I already told you, these programs are completely job ready programs, which means that we prepare the students directly like to work in their particular fields directly. So you can get an entry level job after completion of this particular program at an instant. Now, as per the official Canadian government website, which is www.workbc.ca, the median salary provided to the people who have completed this particular business administration program ranges from $45,000 to $52,000 a year, which is a good number for a starter job. Now, Business Administration Web and Digital Marketing Specialty, which is a 2 year diploma where the students will learn all the fundamental skills needed in business administration, but also develop an expertise in the field of web and digital marketing specialty, which means the student will like learn to build and maintain their own websites through HTML, CSS, and WordPress, and also will be taught to manage multi-channel digital marketing, and we'll also be taught some basic skills about designing by using apps such as Adobe Photoshop and Illustrators, which are again a good program. So it will make you a complete suite of digital marketing and web specialty, in where the students will learn how to build their website, how to get the traffic to the websites, and also how to design the content of the web. Now, the job opportunity after the completion of this particular program ranges from becoming a WordPress developer to a specialist into any subdivision of web development or into business administration web tech specialty. And the median salary offered to the people who have completed this program ranges from $56,000 to $60,000. The other program is Full Stack Web Developer Program, which is a 1 year certificate in where the student will learn the programming languages like HTML, CSS, Java, and some more backend languages. And as you know, there is a full scope for the developers in this era. The students can work anywhere in the proximity or in the capacity of graphic designers, illustrator, web designers, developers, interactive media developer, computer programmer, and the salary ranges from $56,000 to $90,000, which is a very good number. So, like these are the official salaries mentioned by the Canadian government in this particular region. So this is the salary provided to the people, the average number of people. So there are good chances that student will end up anywhere in between in these numbers. Now we will discuss about the pathways and the transfers that we give. So after the completion of business administration 1 year certificate, like complete your first year at Q College, then the student has two options: either complete 1 year in hospitality management or 3 years in hospitality management. So if a student completes 1 year in hospitality at the other VCC, then like a student will in total study for 2 years and get a work permit for 1 year. And if a student is willing to do a bachelor's degree, then the student will complete first year with us, the next 3 years with VCC, and get a 3 year work permit after that. So a 4 year of bachelor study in where you will get two certificates, which will be one from business administration from Q College, and other certification will be from Vancouver Community College into bachelor's. So major point to note here is, like, if a student is willing to study directly from Vancouver Community College, it's really very tough to get into the institution as the IELTS requirements are very high, the academic requirements are very high, and also the number of applications coming to this institutions are very high. So there are chances that even after applying, even after meeting all the criteria, the application would be rejected. Now, when you are coming through us, your admission in the Vancouver Community College will be very much secured after completion of 2 years with us and get only 50% marks at Q College, but also it will save a lot of money. I'll show you how. So the institution fee at Vancouver Community College for 1 year is anywhere around $16,000 to $17,000, which means for a 4 year degree program, a student will invest anywhere around $76,000 and get a degree into Bachelor's of Hospitality Management from Vancouver Community College. Now you are doing the same through us, like completing first 2 years with us and next 2 years with Vancouver Community College. In that case, a student will complete the whole 4 year bachelor's degree at a cost of only 60,000, saving 18,000, because the fees that you pay at Q College or Eton College is half of the fees that you pay at this public universities. So, like it can save your complete 1 year tuition fees. So you can complete your first year, 2 years at Q College, next 2 years at VCC, and get an work permit for 3 years, and also save $20,000. Same is with the progression with University Canada West, where we award the student with the Bachelor of Commerce degree. So a student can complete the first year or a first 2 years with us and next upcoming years with University Canada West and be eligible for the postgraduate work permit after the same. So these are the admission requirements, and in here also the admission requirements are same as the Eton College that we already discussed, and we do not require maths for taking the admissions, which is again a very good points to be considered for the students. The best beneficial point is the fees, like the application fees are completely waived off, and the total cost, including the tuition fees, books, and medical insurance, is only the maximum is 9,450, which is 5,51,000 as of now today, which can be a good money saving option for the students. So what you pay at good universities for a year is what you pay with us for 2 years. This is how you save your 1 year tuition fees, which is anywhere around 10 to 20 lakh rupees, which is a good number as we are looking to support our families and save good number of money. So this was about the institutions. Any questions from the team? Any questions from the students? I would like to answer and try to explain you more about in detail.
Yeah, thank you. Basically, there's two questions. One is basically, are this program available for January intake?
Yes, these programs are available for January intake.
Okay. And is there a special requirement for visa purpose, or being in British Columbia, or basically the visa process is same like any other?
No. The visa process is completely same in all the provinces of Canada. So there is no particular visa process to be followed for this particular region. And as you are not that much inclined to a non-SDS process, but we also accept students with the one module 5.5. So if a student is willing to apply, if anyhow they want to go to Canada, then they can also apply through a non-SDS process, which again opens up a good perspective for the students, because like they ultimately get to go to a good renowned public university at low scores. So this is a good option for the students looking to, like, who really think that they have wasted their initial years in India and now want to improve their studies. Then this is a good option for them to reform their studies and come up with good degree from a good, well-renowned public university.
Perfect. Those are the two questions that basically came up. Thank you very much, Anurag, basically for your wonderful presentations. I know it's like long presentation and you have been talking for so long, and thank you very much for everything, for being here. Wonderful. I'm will definitely, see if there are any students for you or your college, and if there's anything, we'll definitely forward it to you. It's wonderful again for us to basically to be present, for you to be present here, and I will have a good week ahead.
Same here. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone for keeping the patience up and listening to me. I hope some of the points that I really discussed today will be helpful to you in any way, and which can really add up to the time that you are invested with me and with Richard. So I hope that this helps you up, and all the best for your future journeys. Looking forward to everyone to be a good and successful person.